Hey, it's Kate with WTI. We love our pets so much, and they're totally perfect and never ever smelly, right?
Meet your new next best friend, this Pet Stain and Odor Miracle by Sunny and Honey. I love this product so much because it is designed to work around your pets. It's safe to use with pets, which is a must-have when it comes to a pet cleaning product or a stain and odor remover. I have used this around my dog niece. I've also used this around my own fur baby, my cat Kike, and it is such a beautiful and effective product. In fact, recently I traveled with my cat and she had literally every single accident possible in her carrier. So I needed the stain and odor remover so badly. I sprayed it and I let it sit for a few minutes according to the instructions, and then I wiped it clean. And when I tell you it saved that carrier, it smells totally fine now and it is perfect. I am so grateful for this. So whether you've got a big cleanup or just like every day, little drool spots, they happen, but we want to keep our home smelling fresh, and this is the perfect product for that. That scent is really light and clean smelling and uplifting. I don't do great with heavy fragrances, and this is not a heavy fragrance at all. I find it to be so refreshing, but so effective in getting rid of those pet odors. It has a great spray on it as well, and I am just so incredibly grateful for a product I can use around my pet, and also something that's just going to keep everything nice and refreshed.
When you need a little something to help with pet stains and pet odors, we highly recommend checking out this awesome stain and odor remover by Sunny and Honey. We are super happy with it. It keeps you happy, it keeps your pets happy, and it is such a great product. That's just our point of view.